Hello everyone, so I'm really excited to tell you all about our course of Montessori. So in this course, we are going to explore captivating world of Montessori education. So this course is basically designed for parent, teacher and anybody else who is genuinely interested in knowing Montessori and its philosophy and how does it work in real life. So whether you are a teacher who want to improve on their teaching methods or you are a parent who want to develop their child in a better manner. So this course is perfectly for you. Montessori can make education more exciting and it helps children to become confident and independent learners. This course is divided into different sections and each with interesting lessons, say like child development and psychology, child care and nutrition, language, fun activities and real life example. Throughout the course, you will learn about Montessori psychology, how child grow and learn, how to create Montessori style classroom and how to use Montessori apparatus in a practical manner. You will be guided by experienced teachers who are passionate enough to share their experiences with you in the best possible manner. Enrolling is easy. Download our app's core entity and enroll yourself for 1 year certified course of Montessori education. Don't miss out on the chance to start your Montessori journey with us today itself. Thanks for joining us today and we are really excited to have you all with us in our Montessori learning journey, and together let's inspire the learners of tomorrow with the Montessori education. Bye bye. Thank you.